Dan with index option trading here, looking at the chart here on SPX 9 months. And today, what a day it has been in the market. First thing in the morning, this is what is happening here. Occupy Wall Street. You can see all these images here on this website, and you could see that people just literally tried to block the NYC exchange, and a lot of police came here and a lot of arrests took place. And this is how the day started. The market started. The first thing they did is try to block NYCE functioning, New York Stock Exchange, which is a big thing. It hasn't happened in before, and it didn't succeed it because there was a phalanx of police, and as a result they couldn't stop the inner workings of the stock market. The stock market continued, but apparently not very well. And even though the unemployment report and other economic good news came in there, the stock market took a dive. When people are anxious, uncertain, and they are being attacked physically, in this case Occupy Wall Street, which is what is happening, they just do one thing. These people on Wall Street know one thing: they sell stuff, and that's what they did. They sold the stuff out, and they start selling it and didn't stop. The SPX dropped 20 points. Now remember, this was a conical, this was a pennant, which is a bullish pennant, and 80% of the time, as I mentioned in the previous videos, usually it breaks out in the direction of the trend, which should be upside. But it also surprised me that it broke down towards the bottom of this pennant. And yeah, these things can fail. There is nothing that can guarantee that it will do this, and there is no such thing that happens. That's why I had been very skeptical of taking any positions right here, because I really wanted to see a breakout to the upside and then get involved in the market, fully invested. But then if every time that I've taken this precaution here, usually it saves me, and it has saved me this time as well, because I did not take heavily invested into positions. Now if you're invested in these positions, you would be suffering a loss right now on the books, and that's the nature of the beast. The market will definitely come back. It's going to hit that 12,410 here, 50-day moving average. If it doesn't break through it, it's going to come right back up. You never know, tomorrow be another day when this thing just gets back up. The McClellan oscillator is now oversold at minus 158 reading, which is an oversold readings here, so it can reverse very easily in a day or so. Tomorrow it may go down a little bit and then reverse, who knows, because this Occupy Wall Street and the uncertainty surrounding the NYSE, the traders were definitely psychologically challenged today. And when these people get challenged and there's any uncertainty comes near them, that's the only reaction they have. They sell stuff. Enough said on this. Let's move on to some other things here very quickly. Dow Jones, let's take a look at what it has been doing on Dow Jones. You have a failure too in this pattern, and it dropped 11,000, and then it tried to pull back up towards the closed market, getting oversold. If you reverse tomorrow and get back into the pennant, all is good. Some of the leading stock, PCLN, didn't do very well today. I have cleared my positions on it, and still have kept some positions open, so it's not a big deal. It'll touch this 500, but cannot let it go below 500. Usually it's 513. It's a heavy duty volume today, 1.6 million on it. Apple, another great stock which hasn't done very well here today, is 377, was down. And CMG, which is the Chipotle Mexican Grill, we have been tracking these stocks here as also making this bullish flag here. So notably, a lot of these stocks are now not in a great shape, but they're getting oversold, and the market should rebound here sometime.